Hire2Retire's custom lifecycle email templates have received a major improvement in the Phase 5.4 release with the addition of Excel function capabilities, allowing you to further customize your lifecycle email templates. To access your lifecycle email templates, go to the Hire2Retire Core tab and the Employment Lifecycle Syncs section. From there, scroll down to a email template notification box and click on this link to bring up your lifecycle email templates. In Hire2Retire Phase 5.4, when you open up a template, you will see this Excel functions bar at the top, which you can use to add Excel functions to a number of different places within your email template, including whom the email is to be sent to, what the subject is, and of course, the body content. The possibilities with custom lifecycle email templates are endless, but as an example, for a company like RoboMQ, which has locations in both the US and India, we can create a lifecycle email template for a new hire that will be sent to a US-based email if the employee's country attribute in Active Directory is US, and an India-based email if the employee's country attribute in AD is India. Using Excel functions in your lifecycle email templates can reduce the amount of different email templates you need to create and help you exert further control over the exact email content that Hire2Retire will automatically send.